Want to create the dream PC setup of 2024? Here's your ultimate guide. First up, the brain of your beast. Choose between Intel Core i9 14900K or AMD Ryzen 9 7950 X3D for top-tier performance. For extreme workloads, consider the AMD Ryzen Threadripper 7000 series. Next, the graphics card. Go for the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 or AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX. Both are powerhouses for gaming and content creation. Your motherboard, Asus ROG Crosshair X670E Hero for AMD or Asus Z790 Maximus Extreme for Intel. They've got you covered with VRM quality PCIe 5.0 and Wi-Fi 6E. For storage, grab a 1TB or 2TB PCIe Gen 4 or Gen 5 NVMe SSD like the Samsung 990 Pro. Need more space? Add a 2 to 4TB SATA SSD or HDD. Power it all with a 1000W Platinum-rated PSU for stable power delivery. And keep it cool with an AIO liquid cooler like the NZXT Kraken Z73. Lastly, wrap it up in a Lian Li PCO11 Dynamic XL or Corsair 7000D airflow case. Boom! You've got yourself a future-proof powerhouse. Subscribe for more tips.